The 16th point. After the 16th point, pwede nang magpasok ng reserves yung head coaches.
And we are underway, Neil. First attack, Panaga. Fajardo. The dink by Laure. And the first point belongs to Hustle. I think the joy as well when we saw in this Spikers term is guys being teammates with others that they don't get to be teammates with in their club.
She just won her first best outside hitter award. First of many for Micaela Belen.
And two great setters, Caf, Kim Fajardo and Gian Morado. And there's a block. Erica Santos puts Team Heart on the ball. Let's go have a ball. We're so glad that you can join us tonight. Gia. Oh! Combination!
Perfect combination play there from Team Heart.
Kasama rin niya sa national team yan si Miguel. I've seen Denden Lazaro not dress up as a libero actually.
Actually, pag dalawang libero na naglalaro ng sabay, it gives the setter peace of mind, I guess. Hindi siya masyadong magkakabol ng bola. De Guzman.
Oh naman. For on the other side being set up by Kim Fajardo.
Yung mga gusto nating makita.
Iya is jammed. Caf keeps it high. Erica launches it. Back to Erica. Tossed up by Panaga. Do we go to Panaga? Galanza! Tracked down by Pons. Shot over by Laura. And yes, we rampa.
She's the leading scorer for her team now with 3 points.
Yes, Rampa is allowed today.
Only yan.
Huh?
Only.
Only 2 points of your serve, of your execution, or lose 2 points in the process. Oh! Elevated by Laure. Sharpa. Ah, got it. You go.
Having the time of her life.
You go, girl.
It's giving.
Sige. And look at this. It's 11-12. Laure will serve now. Belen denied. Mukhang nagsorry siya kay Kim Kiana. Baka nasipa niya siguro. Nagsorry siya agad. It's on the ground and it's dead in the water. We're tied at 12.
Sorry daw, sabi ni Bangs Panaga. Hindi mo sinasadya. Good pancake save from Nazareno. Second touch by Santos.
Galing niya sa rin. Laure. Galanza. Now whip. Op. Was the call.
Ball did not go over, so Team Hustle will overtake Team Heart.
Everybody gets to play. And Belen knocks it in, ties it up. Belen now with 5.
Going to work early. 5 points for Bella Belen. 4 points for Erica Santos. Ang sila yung mabubusog ni Gia today.
You know, with the leave of absence of ilan dito ang national players or have been part of the national team at one time or another. Belen, Laure. Iba talaga yung palo ni Micaela, no? May diin eh.
Ang dami niyang pwedeng gawin din sa bola niya.
Yung ang likot ng kamay.
Good contact point always. Yan yung pinaka-importante para lumikot yung matsakto lagi.
At saka yung bola lagi nasa harap niya. Calf adjusted. Nice dive by Azareno. Battle in the air. Kanchawan, no? Kanchawan, no? Kanchawan.
Open conference. It's also time for some R&R sa players.
Oo nga naman. Or all Filipino? All Filipino ba yung huli natin? Okay.
Tuwang-tuwa.
Ano ba yung last natin? All Filipino?
Yeah.
All Filipino. Oo. Tignan mo naman. Parang high school team, oh.
Ito ata yung reason ko bakit naghihiyawan yung fans kanina. Myla Pablo scoring a point.
Siyempre.
Love is in the air.
Love is in the air. Si Coach pwede maging bias today. Parang ang gugulo. Pardo. Pons! Take that! Take that, Gemma. You're my teammate. I don't care. Gets nyo naman ang sinasabi namin, ano? Oh, kita mo yung pihit, ano? Kita mo yung pihit.
Not all players can actually pull that award.
I talked to Vanny.
What a journey.
Yeah, I talked to Vanny yesterday and I said, I'm so proud of you, sabi ko. Not just because of the Ateneo connection, but because of the journey she had, ano?
For a premier point. Kaya nag-iba na po yung kulay ng bola natin. When you see that ball, that means it's time for the premier point. The winning team in this rally will get 2 points.
And it will go to Gandler and company.
22 na ngayon ang Team Hearts. +2 on the scoreboard that brings the lead up to 6 points. Okay, sabi nung technical table, kunin niyo yung bola dito.
Parang ang saya-saya ni Majoy, ano? Today.
Jump serve. I want to see her go for a jump serve.
Up, sandali. Woo! Woo! Wala pang pito eh. Tayo naman. Araw-araw natin ginagawa yan eh.
Marami na rin substitutions for Team Hustle. Tots Carlos, Alohi Robbins Hardy. Now in for Coach Romel. Yun lang. Service error. So 2 points ang ibibigay natin sa Team Hustle.
Here. Mika. Gandler receiving. Cayuna sets this up. Pablo shoots. And look at this team.
Parang inspired si Myla.
Oh.
Kanya lahat yon.
Love is in the air. And it's 23-18. Reach for by Bernadette. Tots. Dawn doing Dawn. Drop.
Simplehan lang natin, sabi na Eliza.
Ito lang yan eh. Meron talaga, si Laia has all set at 24-18. Pons, Alohi with the set, and we are done with set number 1. Paboritong number today yung 25-18, ano?
This is what happened also in the Spikers serve. Strong start for Team Heart. At halos nagamit ni Coach Rat lahat ng players niya sa first set pa lang.
And Hart takes